Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Telegram trading bot easy guide. Create your bot with BotFather and copy the token. Next, set up Python, install Python Telegram bot and CCXD, and configure virtual environments. Use environment variables for API keys and never hardcode secrets. Test basic message handling before connecting Exchange APIs. Keep logs and error handling simple so you can iterate safely and learn faster. Design clear command handlers for start, status, and trade requests so users receive predictable feedback. Fetch market data from the chosen exchange and normalize symbols before computing signals. Place orders through authenticated API calls and confirm execution to users. Implement safeguards like max order amounts, cooldown timers, and permission checks to avoid accidental large trades. Keep each component modular so you can replace or upgrade parts without rewriting the whole bot. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, pick up Darn Tough Socks for unbeatable comfort and a lifetime warranty, ideal for long coding and trading sessions. They stay comfy during late-night debugging and feel great on long walks between deployments. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Run the bot in paper trading or sandbox mode to validate logic and edge cases before risking capital. Use Docker or a small VPS to deploy the bot for consistent uptime and easier updates. Add logging, alerting, and health checks so you know when something fails and can respond quickly. Rotate keys periodically and keep backups of configuration. Start small, iterate on features, and prioritize safety over speed when evolving your strategy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.